Hello students, today's topic is graph representation. There are two standard ways of represent a graph in the memory of a computer. One is called the sequential representation of graph, means of its adjacency matrix. The other way, called the linked representation of graph, is by means of linked list of neighbors. So today we are only discussing adjacency matrix. A graph G equals to V and E. Here V represent vertices and E for edges, where V vertices equals to 0, 1, 2 and -1 can be represented using two-dimensional array of size n by n, where n is number of vertices. In adjacency matrix, Aij equals to 1 indicates presence of edge between two vertices or node I and j, and Aij equals to 0 indicates absence of edge between two vertices I and j. Such a matrix which contains entries of only 0 and 1 is called a bit matrix or a Boolean matrix. First, we discuss about undirected graph representation. Undirected graph representation. Adjacency matrix of an undirected graph is always a symmetric matrix, means there is an edge from A to B and also B to A. So here is a graph A, B, C, D, E and are vertices or node. Total number of nodes equals to 5. So matrix should be of size 5 by 5. So 5 rows A, B, C, D, E and 5 columns also A, B, C, D and E. So let's draw the adjacency matrix for this graph. So check first element. Is there an edge between A to A? No. From A to A there is no edge. So put here 0. Next, is there an edge from A to B? Yes, A to B there is an edge. So put 1. Because Aij equals to 1 if I and j are adjacent. A and B are adjacent here. Means the between A and B there is an edge exists. Now is there an edge from A to C? A to C, yes, there is an edge. So put 1 here. Again A to D, yes. A to E, no. A to E, there is no direct edge. So put here 0. For next row, is there an edge from B to A? Yes, B to A. Because undirected graph is also a symmetric matrix. So B to A, edge, yes. B to B, no, there is no loop. No, there is no edge. So 0. B to C, there is no direct edge. 0. B to D, no edge. 0. B to E, yes, there is an edge. Next, C to A, yes, there is an edge. 1. C to B, no edge. C to C, no edge. C to D, yes, there is an edge. C to E, no direct edge. so 0. Next, E to A. E to A, there is no direct edge, so put 0 here. E to B, yes, there is edge. E to C, no. E to D, yes, edge. E to E, no safe loop, so put here 0. So this is the adjacency matrix of undirected graph. Next, directed graph representation. So adjacency matrix of a directed graph is never symmetric, means there is only one directed path or edge from A to B, not B to A. So here is a directed graph. So we are going to make adjacency matrix for directed graph. So Pij equals to 1 if there is a path from Vi to Vj and 0 otherwise. So let's see. If there is a path from A to A, there is a path? No. Next, is there is a path from A to B? Yes, A to B there is a path. So put here 1. A to C. A to C there is a path? Yes, there is a path. Put 1 here. A to D, no path. Here D to A is path, but A to D is not a path. So put here 0. A to E, no direct path. Put here 0. For second row, is there is a path from B to A? B to A, no. B to B, no. B to C, no. B to D, no. B to E, yes, there is a path. Next, is there is a path from C to A? C to A, no. C to B, no. C to C, no. C to D, yes, there is a path. And C to E, no path. Next, is there is a path from D to A? Yes, there is a path from D to A. D to B, no path. D to C, no path. D to D, no. Sorry, yes, here is a path from D to D. Safe loop is there. So D to D is path. D to E, yes, there is a path. Next, from E to A, is there a path? No. E to B, no. E to C, no. E to D, no path. And E to E, no path. So this is the directed graph representation of this graph. Next is weighted graph representation. So weighted graph is used in shortest path algorithm. So for this graph we make adjacency matrix. So here is there is an edge from A to A? No, we put 0 there. If there is an edge from A to B? Yes, A to B there is an edge. So put here weight of this edge, and this weight of this edge is 2. So put the weight. Is there an edge from A to C? A to C, yes, there is an edge. So put the weight of this edge here, 4. Is there is an edge from A to D? Yes, A to D, and weight is 3. A to E, there is no direct edge, put 0 here. Next, is there is an edge from B to A? Yes, B to A, because it is not a directed graph. So there is an edge between A to B, B to A. So put here weight. B to B, no. B to C, no. B to D, yes, there is an edge and weight is 6. B to E, yes, edge and weight is 11. Next row, C to A, yes, an edge is present between C to A. Put the weight of edge. C to B, no direct edge. C to C, no edge. C to D, yes, edge is there and weight is 15. C to E, there is no edge. Next, D. D to A, yes, there is an edge, weight is 3. D to B, yes, edge is present and weight is 6. D to C, yes, edge is present, weight is 15. D to D, yes, self loop is present, so weight is 1. D to E, yes, there is an edge and weight is 3. Next, from E to A, no direct edge, put here 0. E to B, yes, there is an edge, weight is 11. E to C, no edge, no direct edge. E to D, yes, edge is present, weight is 3. And E to E, there is no edge, put here 0. So this is the adjacent symmetric representation of this graph, weighted graph representation. I hope you understand. Thank you.